Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over bow one step number 6. We will be defending against Tsuke-Komi, two-hand thrust high section. Now let's start off. We'll have a look at the attack. We're starting in Hidari no Kamai, doing a shuffle step forward and extending the thrust high section up to the face and the neck. So again, moving in here. I'm not sliding the bow through my hands. My hands maintain their grip, but I am keeping the end of the bow tucked in against my hip. So I've got my 3 points of contact. From the side, this is what we have. I just up and out. Again, face high. We're going high section on our attack. All right, now for the defense, I'm also going to be working from Hidari no Kamai, the right side forward fighting stance. And we are going to be using open the door and Yoko Uke, the inside to outside block, to deflect our partner's thrust. And then I'm coming up and through diagonally with the left hand end of my bow toward my partner's head. This is Gyaku Naname Age Uke, the diagonal upward strike. And then we're coming up and over the top here, Uchotoshi, the overhead strike. And we're going to finish up with our own high section Tsuke-Komi thrust. And then I'm going to disengage. I'm just going to move away. So we're going to start. I'm opening the door, moving off to my left. Yoko Uke, the inside to outside block to deflect the thrust. Gyaku Naname Uke, the diagonal upward strike. Uchotoshi, the overhead strike. Tsuke-Komi, two-hand thrust, and then I move away. All right, let's have a look at that one more time from the front here. Open the door, Yoko Uke, Gyaku Naname Age Uke, Uchotoshi, Tsuke-Komi, and then I'm moving away. Now, from the side, I'm going to be opening the door this direction. I'm getting off the line of that thrust, deflect here with Yoko Uke, up and through toward the head with Gyaku Naname Age Uke, straight down with Uchotoshi, thrust in with Tsuke-Komi, and then move away. Let's have one more look at that. Open the door, Yoko Uke, Gyaku Naname Age Uke, Uchotoshi, Tsuke-Komi. All right, now, we're going to have a look at that with a partner. Now, when you're first working with a partner, take it slowly, work on your distancing, work on your aim. Don't try to go too fast or too hard right away. Get used to doing this with a partner. Then you can gradually pick up your speed and your power. Mr. Thompson, could I have your assistance?
Sir.
Now we're both going to start in Hidari no Kamai here. We'll start here. My partner is going to hold the bow stationary. He's not going to thrust, he's just going to hold it out. I'm going to work on that open the door and Yoko Uke here to take that bow, push it down and away. And notice it's put my opponent off balance. I'm coming up and through with Gyaku Naname Uke, the upward diagonal strike, uchotosh, the overhead strike, and then right to the side of the neck here with Tsuke-Komi, and then I'm going to move away. Again, we're working on our distancing, we're working on our aim. So open the door, deflect, up and through with the first strike, over and down with the second, thrust, and then disengage. Now, we'll try it against a nice, slow, controlled Tsuke-Komi thrust. Attack. And I move away. Attack. Block, strike, strike, thrust, and move away. The hardest part of this is really at the very beginning, opening the door, using that yoko uke to defend. Let's go one more time, then we'll look at it from the other side. Attack, strike, strike, thrust, and away. All right. Now I'm going to be opening the door in this direction. Attack, strike, strike, thrust, and move away. Attack, strike, strike, thrust, and move away. When you're confident of your distancing and your aim, you can start taking it a little bit faster, and so can your partner. Attack. 1, 2, 3, and away. Thank you, Mr. Thompson.
Sorry.
All right, that was bow one step number 6, our defense against the Tsuke-Komi attack. Thank you for joining me.